In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to direct post to Instagram with Hootsuite. If you want a simple way to share a photo or video to Instagram, Hootsuite can help you do it quickly from one place. In this walkthrough, I will guide you through the exact flow, from logging in to publishing your post. First, log into Hootsuite. Take a moment here to make sure you are using the correct account that has access to your social profiles. When the dashboard loads, look for the main navigation area, because you will need to start a new post from there. Once you are signed in and you see your home screen, you are ready to create your Instagram post. Next, click Create, then choose Post. This is the starting point for composing a new social media share. You might see a button or link labeled Create, and inside that menu you will find Post. Click through carefully so you land in the composer where you can select a destination account. This step matters because it sets up the area where your Instagram content will be configured. After that, select your Instagram account. On screen, there will usually be a list of connected social profiles. Choose the specific Instagram account you want to post to, especially if you manage more than one. Make sure the selected account name is highlighted or clearly indicated so you know your post will go to the right place. This is one of those small checks that saves time later, since posting to the wrong account is easy to avoid at this stage. Now you will upload your photo or video. In the composer, look for an upload button, often labeled something like Upload Media. Click it, then choose the photo or video file from your computer. After you select the file, wait for it to finish loading. If the preview appears, take a quick look to confirm the image or video looks correct and is not cropped in an unexpected way. This step is important because your media is the main focus of the post, and you want it to display properly before you publish. Once your media is ready, add your caption. You will see a text field where you can type the caption that accompanies your post. Use this space to include any message you want to share with your audience. And remember that you can also add hashtags if you normally use them. Take a moment to read through what you wrote, since the caption is part of the final post that will be published immediately after you click the publishing button. If you need to make adjustments, now is the time to do it. After your caption is set, you are ready to publish. Click Post Now. This tells Hootsuite to publish the post to the selected Instagram account right away. Depending on your browser or account settings, you may see a brief confirmation or a status update showing that the post is being sent. Allow a moment for the system to complete the action, and then you can close the composer or continue creating your next post. That is the full process for direct posting to Instagram with Hootsuite. You logged in, started a new post, chose your Instagram account, uploaded your media, added your caption, and then published right away. That covers everything you need to know.